Welcome to this example video using DracalView software, which showcases the use of the GraphView tool. In this real case study, we want to generate an image that allows you to see the fluctuation of an ambient temperature measurement and that of a normal atmospheric pressure measurement by offsetting the pressure. To do so, we will need to use a combination of the mathematical channels and configuration features in the GraphView tab. Prior to anything, take note of the minimal and current values of the atmospheric pressure. For this video, we will use 100.0 kPa as the minimal value and 100.1 kPa as the current value of the atmospheric pressure. Step 1. In the Sources tab in the Math Channel inset, type 100.0 in Math Channel 0 and change the alias to 100.0 kPa. Step 2. In Math Channel 1, type 100.2 and name that alias 100.2 kPa. These two values will set the interval in which the atmospheric pressure varies. Step 3. In Math Channel 2, enter, in square brackets, the identifier of the atmospheric pressure channel. Don't forget to change the alias of the mathematical channel so that it is meaningful. Step 4. Check the graph boxes associated with temperature and the three math channels and go to GraphView. If you keep auto scale y-axis, you will notice that the air pressure is very high and the temperature is very low, preventing you from seeing any fluctuation. Step 5. Go back to the Sources tab and type -75 next to the expression already entered in the three math channels. This will offset the atmospheric pressure to be visible along with the temperature. Step 6. In the GraphView tab, change the y-axis zoom and you will now see the fluctuation of the temperature as well as that of the air pressure between the minimum and maximum values observed. Step 7. Make sure the legend is appropriate, for example by changing the color and style of the lines. You can also change the title to make it meaningful. Now, let's say you want to record data for 2 weeks. Change the buffer capacity and perhaps adjust the sample interval to make sure you will not run out of memory. If you wish to keep a copy, click on Save Graph to File. And that's it. You are now professional with DracalView and its GraphView interface. We hope to see you soon in the next Dracal Technologies video.